Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. I'm looking treacherous. I know I just got off for work, so you guys gonna have to forgive me. I know I'm all of this, face black and all of that. Yeah, yep. I just got off work, did some hard work, put in the hours, But yeah, I got a new car. You know what I mean? I got a new car. I bought a new car. So yeah. I love it so far. It's an old car. It's older than my FRS, trust me, but it's a family car. It's a 4-door, something great. I already had a 4-door. I have a Toyota Avalon, but my girl need a car. So yeah, so I bought her a car basically. But it's technically my car because I bought it. But I bought her a car because she needed a car to drive to go to her family's house because they want to see my son and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the car right now. So yeah, catch you outside. So this is the car, guys. That's my Avalon right there. That's my daily. I use that to go to work. I drove this to work today, but I just want to drive it. But yeah, this is what it is. It is a 2011 328i. I wish it was a 335i. That shit would have been nice, but it's okay because this is a M Sport package. You guys can see the M on the wheel, the M wheel. It's kind of fucked up, but right now I'm trying to restore the car. So yeah, I'm trying to restore this car. Make it look nice again. The car looks lower. I don't know if this is the stock height. I don't know. This could be aftermarket, lowering spring. But yeah. I don't know. I think this is a stock suspension. I mean, it's kind of low already. I kind of like it. It has a M bumper, M Sport bumper. The M3 bumper is actually a little bit different. Yeah, there's little scratches and stuff here. I'm planning to wrap this car and get some spacers. Basically trying to make it look new again. I'm not trying to go, like slam, and I'm not trying to slam it or anything. I'm trying to like make it look like a real car, because this is a pretty good car. It has paddle shifters. It feels nice. Most 328i I see really don't have paddle shifters. I don't know if those are the base models or not, but I don't know, guys. I'm a Japanese car owner, okay? I've never owned a European car before. I mean, my first car was a Mercedes C-Class compressor. It's, cheap little thing, old school. Not old school, but it was like a 2004. But yeah. So we're back in the car. I got some LED lights that I want to be putting on this today, actually. And that's the only reason why I've decided to record and show you guys my new car. Yeah, because I thought it was a good idea. You know what? Let's just document my restore of this car. Not really restore it, guy. I'm not really like that good with it and shit. I'm just a regular guy. I'm trying, but I promise I'm trying not to make it rice. Okay, guys. I'm just kidding, but yeah, no, for real though. I'm gonna try to make it nice, make it look good. Nothing crazy. I'm trying to wrap the car, but at the same time, I'm not gonna make it a bright color. I'm trying to make it like, something nice. No crazy color, none of that. Okay, guys, you're not gonna be seeing that from in this channel. You guys don't like it, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna be wrapping this, a really basic color, something, OEM like kind of, trying to make it look good, have a good stance. But yeah, basically to pop this plastic thing off, it used to be like this. So you would have to pry it open like this, or like this. Make sure you don't accidentally pry this what is that shit called, this chrome piece right here. Make sure only pry it off this plastic part. You know, try your best not to. I'm trying my best not to like break shit in here, because I'll be mad, because this is, you know, I just got this car. You know, shit's already, you know, kind of fucked up on it. I don't want more shit to be fucked up. So yeah. All right, guys. So I guess you had to take this bulb off. There we go. You should just be able to pull that shit off straight down. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. All right, so you grab your new light and basically just plug it back in. It should go in. I see some light. Sorry, guys. There we go. I don't know. What the fuck? This is so dim. That's weird. Alright, guys. So I installed them. I kind of didn't show on the video because I was having a hard time. The light would not turn on this dome part. I think this is the map light and this is the dome light. I'm not sure. I could be the other way around. But what's it called? That's my uncle. I got distracted. Fuck. But yeah, I was having a hard time getting it on. But I said fuck it. I just put a bulb on. It wasn't turning on. And then right when I slapped that plastic piece on, it turned on. I was like, wow, the problem just fixed itself. Got that one too. So basically, to take that one out, you basically take the plastic thing off, the clear piece off, and then this black piece right here, this black circle piece. So you put your hand in like that, your finger in like that, and just pull out while this plastic thing is out. This thing should pull out, and then now you could get in there and grab the bulb. And the back side, so there's a trick to this back side. I already installed it. You guys can see. There's a trick to this back side. I was having a fucking hard time doing it. The light wouldn't turn on. Basically, you pop this thing off like that, and don't yank on this plastic piece. So you see, I almost fucking broke it. So you're supposed to grab on this piece right here, and this whole thing should come off. Let me clip that piece back on. So basically, you want to take this thing off. I don't want to do it because I don't want to go back into the fucking process because it was a pain in the ass. So basically, you twist this, and then you see this little notch right here. So you will turn it, and it'll get free. It'll be free because there's a little cutout right here. It'll come off, and then basically you take the bulb off. It's like this. I'm pretty sure you guys see bulbs like this before. So yeah, self-explanatory. So you just take it off, put the bulb on. If it doesn't work, just flip them. You know, just flip them. And then to put it back on, basically you spin this way. So the dome light should be facing the back of the car. So you want to put on this top piece first. And then you should be able to clip it in. See, it look good. Light work, check it out. Okay, and I don't really know what the fuck this is for. I really don't know what this is for. I know, I think I'm supposed to, I could break these. Oh yeah, I could snap them, and then one should be going over here and another one right here. So I'm gonna do that right now. So yeah, well, I could just do it right now. I'll try to show you guys. So basically, you just pop this open. If I could do it with one hand. If I could do it with one hand, guys, I'm trying. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's okay. Don't try to get it from this side. Get it from the back side, like this side. Not over here, but over here. And then you should be able to take this thing off and replace it with the new one. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now, but I'm not gonna do it on camera because, you know, I only have two hands, guys. So yeah. All right, update. So this thing right here was pushed out more. It was pushed out more because the old one, you guys could see, is a little longer and a little bit bigger. So what I did to make this thing fit is that I just squeezed that middle pin together a little bit. Try not to break it, guys. So yeah, try not to break it because I don't know how much it'll be to replace this, and I know you guys don't want to replace this. So yeah, let me see if it works. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. All right. And then the way to put it back on is you go, let me see, I think it goes like this. So this wire piece should be sticking up towards the roof. So you do the front one first and then clip in the back. It's a little flickery on camera, but I promise you guys in real life, it doesn't have that flickering. So you guys can see, I guess it's on a certain angle, but like if I go like this, oh, you can still see the flickering. Yeah, but I promise you guys, it's just on camera, it's flickering, but in real life, in your eyes, it's not flickering. So yeah, so far the interior looking nice, and I'm very impressed with these lights so far. Even though I was having a hard time, I take my word back because I actually like them now. So yeah, see, the light works. Don't light. Let me turn on everything for you guys. It's kind of, you know, sunny out, so you guys won't be able to see the lights, but I still gotta do this side. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys because I already showed you guys on this side. So yeah. Ooh, I'm ugly. Fuck. But yeah, I'm at work. This is like a couple weeks later. I haven't posted this video just because I want to make this little outro video for you guys. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for making it this far. I appreciate it. If you guys did make it this far, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, comment something nice, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click that bell notification. You know, that way when I do upload a video, you know, you guys will be the first one to see it, or whoever clicked on the bell notification. I'm an idiot, guys, you know. But yeah, I mean, I appreciate you guys, you know, if you guys made it this far. But yeah, I really didn't show the interior light like that. See, like, it's kind of like, it's flickering on camera, but it's not flickering in your eyes when you're looking at it. But yeah, you know, again, thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.